How to use Lightroom without subscription. First of all, open the app on your device. If you haven't signed in yet, you can create a free Adobe account or log in with Google, Apple or Facebook. Once logged in, you will notice that Lightroom offers both free and premium features. Free features include essential editing tools like cropping, exposure adjustment, color correction, filters and presets. You can start editing any photo by selecting images from your device. Use the available free tools to adjust light, color, sharpness, and other settings. You can also apply free presets to give your photos a professional look instantly. Keep in mind that premium features like selective edit, healing brush, and advanced presets require a subscription, but most everyday editing tasks can be completed with the free tools. Now you know how to use Lightroom without subscription. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.